Fuck you! Fucking out here, boy! Fucking out here doing 71! Just eating! Yeah, we take these highways around here, boy. We hanging on out here, bro. Doing a little Thursday meetup, know what I mean? What the fuck you stopping for, homie? Hey, we doing a little Thursday ride out, man. Just a few people. And we're just gonna be vibing. Just kind of doing our thing. And I'm just gonna be jamming. I'm hoping I see some crackheads right now. Nope. I had one of them the other day just yelling at me. I pulled up to a red light and he walked up to me and I didn't have my camera and he was like, "Go! Go!" And I was like, "What?" And he said it again. "Go!" I said, "It's a red light. Get out of here!" I was like, "Motherfucker, you might live on the streets, but you don't run the streets. You better chill your ass out." Oh no! I'm so pulled over. Fuck! Fuck! Oh my god, it was a cop! Oh, he left me alone. Oh, he left me alone. Oh, he left me alone. I can't believe that, bro. Did you see me land it down? I seen him and I just hit back brake. I was like, nope, nope, nope. That was a solid wheelie too. There wasn't no denying that nooner, bro. Oh, that was hardcore. Oh, I can't believe he's leaving me alone, bro. I say that, watch, he's gonna pull up right behind me. Whoop. Just trying to do the speed limit now, in case he does pull up behind me. I'm at least doing the speed limit. I don't even know the speed limit. And then he looks down, he's gonna pull me over, I'm gonna get off the bike, it's gonna look like I've been sitting on this thing. Hey, there's Jimmy John's. I've been wondering where that place was. Damn, that boy out of it, bro. Oh no, another cop. They're like, look for the yellow bike with the red sub cage on it. We gonna get him. I don't remember what road to take from here. It's about to go down. No cops. No stop. Right? Should I run this? Hey, you know what? While we're fucking around, let's go up this. Let's go. I ain't been to the top of here in a minute. Oh shit! But there's a cop right there. Is that a cop? Nah, you know, cop. You good guy. Whoop. Gotta remember, dude. These things are so slick, bro. Bro, it's like so easy to wheelie up these though. This is the spot, bro. You see all the shitty from here. All the shitty. There, got people washing windows, someone talking on the phone. We got cars. We got cars and highway and streets and what's Pinky's? Oh, they do karate down there. What else do we see? Mickey D's Nuts. Go to this side. What's up here? Churches. Hell yeah. They don't even hear me. They just down there waiting for their chimkin. Hey, there was a video that went viral. There was a fight right outside that church's, dude. This old heavy-set woman comes up to that window and she's talking about, she grabbed her food and said, "Bitch," bah, and throws it in the window. And then that church's worker, that bitch comes out and says, "Bitch, bitch," bah, 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 bah. You know, give him one of them, bruh. Fucks that bitch up, dog. And then the husband gets all mad. He slams the door. He's talking about, "You embarrass me, bitch." Oh, that shit was fucking awesome. Good little power slide right into the turn. Call me there, Lazito. Call me there, Sarah. Yo, this shit is slick though. Taking these turns, I seen a guy wipe out. They were racing up this thing, and motherfucker said, "Ugh." All right, now we gotta make our way to our friend's house. What am I doing, bro? I just be doing shit by myself that's just stupid as hell. Don't even make sense, bro. I just have fun, bro. That's all that matters. I'm just having fun. I'm losing my grip! It's so fast! No idea where I'm at. Whoa, look at that, dude. That's an old school ass looking house, bro. That reminds me of F is for Family House. Yeah, that's a good restaurant. Shout out Jay Wilson's. You get some pork belly in that jelly, pork belly jelly. That should be bussin'. Hell yeah. Eating, we eating, we. Oh man, that was a vibe. Dude, these are red lights. No, we can't. We're on limited time, dude. Looks like rain clouds. Oh, and my sticky's coming off my chin mount. So chin mounts, yo, hook me up with another one. What the fuck? I was gonna joust. Look at that. That's fancy. He sets it on cruise control, just stands. We riding Grease Monkey, the garage. Grease Monkey bike. Oh damn, he got like a little hump on there. What is in my helmet? What the fuck's in my helmet? Getting swifty, Taylor Swifty. We have no plan in the world. We're just going. This dude all lit up, think he's cool and shit. Well, you better get your ass on, dog, bitch. Oh God. Riding like deviants. Gonna take me wherever I want, but the sidewalk gonna take me there better. What the fuck? Quote that shit. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. at that. Dude, that's sick. Look at that crocodile. Or alligator crocodile, what the fuck? Get a close-up of this. That's pretty dope, dog. That's pretty dope, dog. Fuck with it. Fuck with it. I got that smooth titty sweat built up right now, dog.
Straight sports gloss.
I'll tell you what, I can milk a pro athlete right now with this sweat. Dude, another alligator. Hold up.
I don't wanna be that. Sit back and say fuck rap. $1 million comeback. Can't tell you where my dog's at. Crawling back when I got that. Tell them on the dime, I don't need that. Middle finger on the ball cap. Spin the tires, I don't call that. You don't really.
Damn, they just gonna leave me on the cool? They just left me on the cool, bruh. Oh. That's how excited I am, boy. That's so dumb. Fuck your Grom, bitch! Fuck a Grom! Monkey in the lead! Alright, GMC in the lead now. The monkey forever! Ow, he's throwing rocks all over me. My dick fell off! My dick fell off! Fuck! God damn it! Dick. Number one, bitch. He ain't gonna beat me. Look how far behind. He's still tucked. Watch, hit that draft. You hit that draft like this, boys. I'm learning all about racing here. Oh, I'm in that draft good too. I feel it pulling me. Look, I'm gaining on him. I can smell his butthole. I'm so close. Here we go. Oh, it smells like sushi. I'm gaining. I'm gaining. We want a damn near touch. Then we can do a bye-bye. Bye-bye, pussy. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Fuck you. Motherfucker. The fuck? Why you almost killed me? Pay attention, dog. Stupid motherfucker. Stupid motherfucker. And that pissed me off, dog. I don't even get mad like that, but that, I know most of the shit I do, I put myself in danger. But that right there, that's an uncontrollable situation. Motherfucker going the wrong way down the road. I'm glad I saw his ass. I was fucked up, dog. Motherfucker. That motherfucker almost killed us. He's coming backwards down the road, head on into us. I got it all on camera. I got his license plate, everything. He almost killed our ass. That was fucked. That was close. That could have been bad, dude. And he wasn't going slow, he was hauling ass. Oh yeah, he was. That turned into a little bit of a catastrophe of a ride. But hell, have fun regardless. It was a good time. I'm gonna be back tomorrow night, or tomorrow night I'm gonna grab some footage. I don't know if I'll upload it till probably maybe Saturday, or I don't know, maybe Saturday night. I don't know. I might not even get much footage tomorrow night. I mean, I'll probably get a lot of footage. Probably most of my shit will come from Saturday's ride if we ride Saturday. But, oh, no, I'm going to an anime convention Saturday. Yeah. It's like, they're gonna have different, like, Asian cuisine there, and it'll be a good time. I need to fix this chin mount because it's just slowly dipping down. The fucking sticky wore off of it. Never had that issue on my other helmet, but I got some double-sided tape I can stick. Whatever. Alright, yeah, anyways. I'm just fucking talking about whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll be back. Peace!